Eel Long Pot.
There was a narration about a husband and a wife. One day, the husband went fishing and caught an eel. He told his wife to cook it. The wife asked, "Where can we find long pot to cook this long eel?" The husband knew that his wife was stupid, so he asked her to hang the eel up. His wife also hung it up and went to breastfeed her child in the mosquito net. The husband then took the eel and chopped it. He put it in the pot and made a spicy soup, composed a lot of vegetables with it. When the soup was ready, he called his wife to come in it. After meal, there was a little soup left at the bottom of the pot. The man didn't wash it and went to plow. His wife had known that the man was away, so she rushed to take the pot of soup to lick. She licked up and down, and then got stuck in the pot. She then hid herself in the mosquito net. When the husband arrived, he couldn't find his wife, so he called out. The man heard a voice and doubted, and then he went into and saw his wife got her head stuck in the pot. He then beat the pot. The wife said, "Ah, I play hide and seek with you." The husband was unreasonable with his wife's action and went away. Thank you for watching.